Just need to. It's another link.
Still doesn't show you live. Oh, there you are. You're live.
Yep. Let's see.
Oh, I hear background noise though. Is that your AC?
Oh, is it bad?
I mean, it sounds like white noise.
Fucking hell. Let me put this down.
Hmm.
You still hear it?
I don't hear it. If I play to YouTube, I hear it.
Oh,
I don't hear it.
There. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Um,
We'll just ask somebody when they come on. But do you have your fan on?
Yeah, I got my AC on.
Can you hear your AC?
No, I mean not with my headphones on.
Oh, okay. But you can hear it with them off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can't hear the AC in my house.
Oh man, I always forget how you can't hear the AC in your house.
Man, I got central air, baby. Don't play no games around this motherfucker.
Sup, Jacob. Right, hold on. Let me just put the chat there. How do I do that stuff? Pop out chat. There we go.
Jacob, peace. We got what's the name at 10 a.m. actually today. ISM Manufacturing PMI.
Today? The red
Yeah.
folder?
Yeah, red folder 10 a.m. and then Pal speaks at 1 p.m. So
Okay.
let's see what happens. Maybe get some volume. Where you people's at? Playing in the front. Did you put it in the cord?
No, I haven't.
I will. I will.
Alright, personal.
What the fuck is going on with my computer? Oh, there we go.
Share, copy link, Discord.
I just put it in members chat.
Yeah. Announcements.
Hold on, let me put at everyone. Did you already put it?
Yeah, I'm not putting no.
I just put out everyone as well. So, hit him with a double banger. Trade evade. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. So I was already in a trade on another account, and I was long.
You been long?
Ooh, that shit just spiked up like a motherfucker. What's good, Muhammad?
I'm gonna trade my GOAT funded.
My first piece. You gonna do what?
GOAT funded futures account.
Are you gonna use that?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
I
I really like them.
Yeah, me too, to be fair.
I really like them a lot, bro. I ain't gonna even lie. I think they're a good company.
Live. Here we go. Okay. Has the market opened? What's the volume like?
Yes. Shit pumped.
Oh shit, yeah, just see the screen now.
Yeah.
Thank you, be quiet. Right, so let's see what's going on here, because I haven't actually looked at the chart all weekend.
Holy candle. What is going on, Batman?
Let's get this across. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, DJ Khaled?
Hey, listen, man. Vibes are vibes. What you want me to do? You know what I mean? That bitch is still going. Go, bitch.
Are you still in?
Yeah, I'm still in. I was only in on 3 micros, so.
Well, I Actually, delete this. Let's go through.
Oh no, I'm out. I had a sell limit.
How much you make?
Bro, I didn't even realize I put a sell limit in.
How much you make?
450.
450.
Whoa, I didn't even realize I had a sell limit in.
Are you copy trade?
I must have. Huh?
Are you copy traded?
No.
No.
It was just one account. Now I'm switching to the other account.
But how are you trading recently? Do you copy trade?
No, I had 3 accounts, and I just been
Just
recycling them.
Yeah.
Cycling them. You know, trying not to. You know, I don't want to. I don't just. You get to a point in your trading career where you're tired of starting over.
Yeah. Sometimes better to just take it slow.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like, man, I want to copy trade, but I also want payouts too. So,
And the thing is, sometimes, well, you know, sometimes if you blow an account, if you blow one account, it's not bad. But if you're copy trading and you blow like, 5 accounts, then you just get pissed off.
Yeah, that's a hurtful day. That's a sad day. That's a how do I explain this to my spouse day? Do I keep it to myself? Do I share it? You got all these fucking emotions, you know?
You share it?
No, I don't share. I told you this before. I don't share a lot anymore.
No, neither.
I don't share a lot anymore because at this point, she kind of knows what's going on and it's just pointless.
I tell her don't even ask me, bro.
Your girl don't even ask you?
I'm like, don't even ask.
I mean, well, yeah. I mean, but you haven't been with this woman for freaking 11 years. You know what I'm saying?
No, but the thing is, even so though, like, it's all good when you're having a good day, but sometimes when you have a bad day, I don't want someone to keep asking me about it. Just let it go.
No.
Like, you shouldn't put too much emotions on just one day, anyways. Whether it's a win or a loss.
Yeah. Right. My wife actually isn't like this. She doesn't. If I tell her about it, she's not the type that will keep trying to ask more questions. She's not even that type. She don't even talk that much. So.
Yeah, I've had girls before where they were like, "Oh, did you win?" I'll be like, "Yeah." They're like, "Oh, yeah." I'm like, "No, stop."
Word, right? Because you ain't getting none of this, bitch.
yeah, exactly.
Fuck out of here. Look at my boy Heath in the house.
I've been there.
Salvador, what up? Muhammad passed his account. Oh, so he said sorry about Friday, my G.
Who?
But Heath is here, no doubt. My boy Heathcliff.
Sorry about Friday. What happened?
Oh, it wasn't Friday, Thursday. Remember we were looking for him?
Oh, yeah.
Was it Thursday we were looking for him?
We've been asking where you are, Heath, man. Leaving us like that. We worry, man.
Yeah, we were doing wellness checks. We were doing a wellness check on you. We were doing a wellness check on Salvador. You know? But you guys are here and present and happy to see you.
We notice when there's someone missing.
ZoFX was Proppington.
Have you boys taken a trade yet?
Motherfuckers jumped in this long.
I'm alive and well, my guys. I appreciate the world. That's just been adulting. Yeah, I get you, bro.
I heard that.
4 3 hours. There we go. 3 hour order block. Just up there.
We already passed some key levels already. Asia, previous midweek, mid, Monday high, heading to Friday's high. Or are we going to start seeing a little reversal here? What time is it? 9:36?
46 still? Okay. Still early.
Yeah, it's still early. I just hope they don't play us with, one good move and then freaking trade sideways, you know?
I'm really hoping that stays in May, bro.
Yeah, that's a fact.
But to be fair, today won't be the day to know because Mondays are hit and miss anyway, so.
Yeah, but we also have high impact news this morning and Fed chair speaking at 1, so.
Okay, let me check
that can either be good or bad. Oh, just got an account by mistake because I forgot to cancel one of my top steps accounts, and it billed me. Got in that long and made $14.95 on the day of this combine. Nice.
Sell in May and go
Sell
away.
it now, you can go away.
Is that not a crypto saying? Bro, I actually wish I sold my crypto like 5 days ago.
You said you wish you saw it?
Sold it.
Sold it because that shit was up, right? Bitcoin and shit.
It was up, but altcoins wasn't, and I've got a lot of holdings in altcoin. I was still, so I was down right before this pump. I was down like 50%, and then I was down like 15%. I was like, I'll just leave it. And now it's gone back down. I'm like 22% down. I just want to go back to break even.
But would you? But the better question is though, would you have sold if you saw it 5 days ago?
Nah, because I want to get my money back.
Okay.
Because you're just holding it. It's not necessarily money I need. It's like, it's just annoying that I've been in drawdown for so long, and I don't want this to be one of those where I'm gonna have to wait another 4 years for another crypto bull run. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Nah, I feel you.
Jeez, this is pump, bro.
Yeah, this shit just pumpalicious.
Pumpalicious, man. Let's see.
Yeah, so Friday was my daughter's rave at the lake house.
Right, how did I go?
Son, you want to talk about I mean, there was a great moment, and then there was a fucked up moment. But the great moment was, you want to talk about a proud father?
Yeah.
Son, the influx of people that were just, it wasn't like one or two people walking in. It was groups of people walking in.
Oh shit.
And I'm just sitting there on the hill with my wife, and I'm like, yo, look, my daughter got motion. You know what I'm saying? And so we rocked for a good 4.5, 5 hours. Yeah, this is her second one, Heath. And so this is an Airbnb place, right? That she hosted the party, but they throw events there. There was an incident the week prior. There was a shooting. And the police came after like 4.5 hours of rocking, and they said that there was no permit to have an event, which they did not need. This is actually all going to get rectified, but they shut it down. But as much as I despise, those people, I will say that they did not mess with any of their guests, because it took these people like 2 hours to clear out of there.
Fucking hell.
But the shit was rocking. Some people were swimming. Even the DJs were like, I was even pleasantly surprised with some of the music. They were rocking, son.
Jeez.
I mean, there was some shit I saw I wish I didn't see, because it's a rave, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So were you there security, or you just went?
No. My daughter had security. She had 3 guys doing it. I was just, she had my generator. I wanted to make sure that because there's people need the generator so people can cook and sell food and all that stuff.
That's such a and
it's there's a lot of stuff that she brought there that's ours, and I need to make sure it's okay. On top of just supporting her.
Right.
But it was dope, bro. It was dope.
No, that's good, bro. That's good.
You know what I'm saying? And after all of that bullshit, she still wound up in the black.
Yeah.
Still wound up making money.
Nice,
I think I'm taking this.
We're gonna take the sweep.
Yeah, I think I am. I'm just gonna see if it. Let me see what we get on this. Oh, I'm on a fucking wrong time.
Let me see.
Yeah, I think I might.
Yeah,
I'm taking this. I'm in.
Oh, order rejected. What's happening with my? What's happening?
Oh no, I'm on micros.
What's happening with it?
Oh. So there we go.
Bruh, hold on. Let me restart this new. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this trade.
Dumb bitch.
Richmond flow. Those shorts are looking good, man.
Yeah. We get to restart your whole shit?
Yeah, I've got to log in.
You get to restart?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It's alright.
Nah, it happens, man. That's just the shit you gotta do.
Mm-hmm.
Shit you gotta go through. It's just, sometimes it's just like, yeah, take a little break, buddy.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Hey, come and update my shit. They ain't gonna tell you it needs to be updated. We're just gonna just reject you.
Yeah, did your Ninja Trader get updated?
Say again?
Did your Ninja Trader ask for an update? There's a new update.
I got an email, but I don't use the Ninja Trader though. No. I only used it back in 2019. That's when I used it.
Okay.
But when I came back to trading, I just stuck with Trade Vape because of the whole Trade and View shit and all that. That's all.
What a short ghost. Kai, after session or PDH, PDL, sweat, which IFG are you looking in? Yeah, IFG off of the sweep. Yeah, the first IFG. If it's a decent one, that's the first one normally I'll go for.
Come on, let's get a little dumpy dump here. Let's go.
No, what's wrong with Ninja Trader? It's on multi-provider. No, it's on single provider. It needs to be on multi-provider, so I need to restart it. Fuck it,
Jennifer Nelly. Yeah, but it was an eventful weekend, man. Like a lot of good things and then bad things happened. Like my wife went to Walmart. I don't know if you know what that is. It's just a fucking grocery store /
Yeah, I've heard of Walmart.
Fucking yeah. So
yeah.
I don't even know why I asked you if you knew what Walmart was. I mean, that shit's fucking everywhere. That's all over the world. My fault.
Hey, I might still have.
Someone hit her
fucking. Oh shit! Someone hit her car.
Yeah, someone hit her car, bro.
Shit.
Someone hit her car, right? She did just hit the back door. It's not bad, but obviously it got to get fixed ASAP. Not driving around like that.
No, of course.
So Saturday night, I told you I was going to that Jamaican party. So we took my car. I've had that car 8 years. I've never had a problem. Right. Never once in my life. Yo, the whole shit died on me. The whole shit died on me, bro. Like there was no power, no nothing. So obviously it's the battery. I left my car. We live right around the corner. So my daughter came and got us. So yesterday morning, I went, spent $200 on a battery. Bro, no power, son.
Oh fuck.
No power. I went back to the place, got another battery just in case it gave me some bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
Just before, I'm just joining these shorts now with you.
Oh, I bet.
And
I had to eventually get that shit towed. Got it towed to a mechanic shop, man. And then I went there this morning, let them know that was my car and gave them my keys. They told me they can't look at that shit until Wednesday.
Oh shit.
That's why it's important to have multiple cars. That's why it's important.
12 boys, by the way.
Yeah, so some bullshit, bro.
Obviously, let's get back to VWA, boys.
Shit, VWA. We're probably gonna retrace that whole fucking move.
I'm in with 1 mini.
Yeah, that's what I'm in. 1 mini in 3 micros. I left the micros on there. I didn't even mean to trade. I just said, fuck it, I'm leaving them.
What's this gap here? Have yours got a gap? There's like a...
What time frame are you on?
Oh, it must have been a data thing for me because I can see it jumped from
I don't have no gap
to 32. Made $500 on that short bidder, man. Thanks.
Damn, look at that dumpy dump. Just keep going.
Just keep going. Keep going.
Just keep going. Just keep going. I told you, his shit swept freaking like mad fucking higher time frame levels.
It did.
That was definitely I felt this is gonna be a little sell off after. That's why I love key levels, and key levels love me. I'm saying, you gotta dance on these charts, son. Know what I mean? Dance on these bitches. Okay, what are we at? What are we at? What are we at? So you just moved over the weekend? That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Still,
No,
only like kind of 3 blocks down.
Oh, 3 blocks down?
3 blocks down, yeah.
You just paid some local guys to move all your shit?
Yeah. There's an app here called Lala Move, and on a day, I literally just put it in there. Within 20 minutes, they were around, bro, moving my shit.
Really?
Yeah.
That's some good service.
I know. It's crazy, isn't it?
That's some good fucking service. You could never do that here.
I know. UK.
I mean, you could. I mean, they'd be a bunch of fucking crackheads that pull up to your shit. You know what I'm saying? Them motherfuckers be sweaty as shit touching your furniture.
Literally, bro, literally.
All that crack juice on your couch.
Bumba, there's Dan. We say Dan. Summer house in the building.
Summer house always in the building. You know what it is? Not the crack juice. Oh my God. I remember my wife ordered this red couch she found on Marketplace. She wanted to put it like in the backyard. It was like, you know, some leather looking red couch. I ain't gonna lie, the pictures, they look nice. But this is her doing her, right? These motherfuckers pulled up to my house, son. You could tell they were heroin addicts. Bro, I said, no, thank you. We changed our mind. The guy said, oh man, we came out here. We came all the way out of our way. I gave them $20. And I said,
the desperation kicked in.
Here you go, man, for your troubles. Because I did not, you were not. You were not coming in my shit.
How much was it?
I don't know. I don't remember how much the couch was. I just know I just gave them $20. But I didn't even want to look at the couch, bro.
It was $20.
When I saw them, I was like, absolutely not.
Love that.
Go get your.
Fuck yeah, no.
Absolutely not, you nasty looking motherfuckers.
Stop to break even, boys. If I make 1,500, I'm exiting, boys. 1,500 because that's the max I can make.
Look at that.
It's close. It's close.
All right, now I'm switching accounts. I'm out on that one. Wait, which number is that? Which number am I on? Oh, okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
Wow, that was a nice, easy move. Look at that, guys. I hope who got in that short. I know a lot of y'all got in that. There's no way y'all did it.
What do you mean that's the max I can make?
What do you
I'm doing evals, bro. I'm doing an eval today. I'm doing a top step eval today.
Oh. So he must not know. No, Bernard, this is eval Mondays.
Go fund the future, sorry. Go fund the futures, and it's a 50% eval. What am I looking for?
Consistency rule.
Yeah, consistency.
Yep. I got you, my guy.
You got me, bro.
Oh, we will, man.
Here we go. Here we go.
1,500. I definitely would have if I wasn't trading this eval. I was scared to enter because of the news, bro.
Fuck the news.
That says Amy? Amy, you just got to do it. Which I know about the support and resistance.
Order filled.
I'm out.
Daddy.
You do.
I'm out. I am out. I literally
that was an easy
I bottom tick that. Oh, maybe not. 1,400. 1,400.
Yeah, that shit's probably just gonna go right. It's gonna go right back down to the 930 Well,
Yeah, it'll probably go down to VWAP, but I couldn't make any more, boys. So a 70-point banger would do.
you can't be mad at that. That's when you guys all go. Round of applause. Thank you. You know what I'm saying?
Go. And if you want to see more bangers like this, join the group. We'll be doing it Tuesday,
join
Wednesday,
the group.
Thursday.
Join Profitable Bull. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Summer House, man. You know what I'm saying? You might step over a few fiends. You know what I'm saying? But we on the top floor.
That's it. That's it.
What do y'all call fiends in the UK?
What? Themes?
Fiends, like, you know, people who are strung out on drugs.
What are they called? Crackheads.
I'm asking, what do y'all call them?
Crackheads. Nitties. We call them nitties, crackheads. What else, Dan?
Nitties?
Yeah, nitties. Like, oh, he's a nitty. Yeah, like a proper crackhead.
A proper
Junkies,
yeah, we just call them fiends, son.
No, junkies, crackheads.
Junkies,
nitties,
that's universal. So again, you might step over a few fiends at Summer House, but we on the top floor. You know,
this would have played out to the tick, bro. Hold on, let's see. What was I? 100. Yeah, I was on 100 points. This would have played out now. Damn.
Oh yeah. That's funny.
Salvador, did you catch that?
That is funny. Oh shit. Salvador better have caught that. Oh, I don't. I see that gap now. Yeah, I don't have that.
Yeah, but it's weird because look
on your screen. Yeah,
9:30 and then 9:32. There must have been like a major lag for me.
It has to be.
Kai, can you kindly give us a breakdown? Of course. Do you wanna do it, or do you want me to do it?
I want to do the breakdown. Well, we swept highs.
Yep. So
went into. Yeah, we went into. Say again. What'd you say?
We swept Friday's highs.
Oh yeah. Friday's highs, and we went into a 4-hour imbalance. Got a little reversal with an inversion, 30-second inversion for me. Or you could have used a 15-second. And
he used the 30 seconds. So he got in a little bit sooner, but the one I have marked out here on my screen, this is actually a perfect example of like a plus setup because the inversion actually got us back into the range. You know, sometimes when we have a breakout from a previous day high or today's high, we sometimes bounce off that line and we go up again. So it's A plus setup. We inverted, came back into the range, closed strong, came back into that gap, and then just dropped from then on.
Yeah, I mean, and I know that shit sounds so simple, but that's really what it is. That's really what it is. Matter of fact, let me tell you, that's really what it is. I'll be honest with you, man. Coming in here this morning, I was really not in the mood. I'm like, man, I feel tired. Yeah, well, just, you know, talking with you before, and then, you know, I was like, all right. You know what I mean? Then we got fucking momentum. Fucking make shit a little bit better, man. Because you already know what it's been like, man. Just fucking sitting here watching the dumbest shit over and over.
Oh, bro, yeah.
It's like, yo.
For sure.
Just entering a trade and just being in chop forever.
Yeah, that's what I'm interested to know now. Whether once we close this hourly, whether we're gonna chop. I'll probably sit it on it till 10 past, boys, because we've already took the trade. This would be a good long, to be fair, if this closes above here, because we're bouncing off VWAP. I can't take it. So here, if this closes this, it hasn't yet. So we're bouncing off VWAP here. If we close above here, this will be the kind of long I'd be looking for.
Giving them a little sauce.
Give them a little sauce, yeah. Because we're bouncing off these previous highs as well. Oh, not quite yet. Well, near enough. The VWAP is up there, so. Kai, do you wait for the wick to close or the body to close? Kai, do you wait for the wick to close? No. Yeah. It'll be the body to invert, yeah?
Yeah, I'm in this long on my other account. Let's see what happens.
See what happens, man.
I mean, I'm not really stressed about this one. I'm not gonna risk much.
There is 3
Maybe
minutes
I'll
of
risk
news. That's the only thing.
You know, I didn't even think of that. Guess what? I'm still gonna hold.
It's
Still
gonna shoot
hold.
up. It's gonna shoot up. Might be a bear flag. Love your boys, no homo.
It is a bear flag.
See you later,
Foreman right
Salvador.
there in 1 minute. Bye, Sal. Get some sleep, son.
It's a what?
A bear flag?
Where?
Well, it's a little small one right
Oh,
there.
the 1 minute?
Down and then the three green candles up. That would be a bear flag.
I see. KD trade order blocks with IFEG. Yeah.
What, end one? Hell yeah.
Order blocks, highs, lows,
Yeah, I'm out
next
of
draw
that.
liquidity. It's not that mechanical. I mean, the models are mechanical, but the way you read price action is never really mechanical because every day can be different.
Mm-hmm.
I'm at a doctor, and Kai catches a piss missile to the downside. What, you didn't catch it, Nick? Bro, what's that guy's name? He makes me laugh, bro. The guy that literally, he was seeing us catch all those bangers, and he was at work.
Oh.
And he was like,
Freaking
it's like, I'm gonna be off work
James
in 2
Z, I
weeks.
think it is.
Yeah. I'm gonna be off work
Yeah.
in 2 weeks. Can't wait to trade with you every day. Posting like, oh man, I can't believe you guys just caught this 100-point banger, this 190-point banger, and then comes the chop. As soon as he gets off work, bro, price just starts chopping up, bro.
It wasn't our fault.
No,
That's for sure.
No.
This is but don't go anywhere though.
Chill out,
Just
down,
stick
boy.
around. It gets better.
Today
It gets better.
Okay, funded X or funded pips. Does funded pips now do futures as well? Do they?
What did you say?
Someone asked funded X or funded pips.
No, I don't even know about those firms.
They should be called funded ticks for futures. That should be their future name. Because we don't deal with pips. That's
No, we don't.
forex
We deal
terminology.
with ticks and points.
Oh,
Anytime I ever hear someone say pips, I like on like a video or something, I scroll immediately. I don't even want to be in that world.
nah, exactly. Anything to do with forex, bro. I'm like, nah.
I don't even want nothing to do with
Fuck
it.
this shit. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shit.
Is that it for the news?
Yeah, that was it. Just that little shoot down to take out that liquidity.
It has futures after the new update. Well, I haven't used them, bro. I've used Funding X. I haven't used Funding Pips. So, ooh, we're going
Damn.
down.
Yes, we are.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, imagine we were still in that. Jesus.
With a bag, bro.
Man, I love it when you can get a Monday like this. Because you know this shit is like not normal.
No, it's not. And it's
Not
looking
at all.
Nice, actually, on the higher time frames as well.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's gonna no, it didn't fill that gap there, so never mind on that. Oh, wait a second. Let me go back to electronic and see. Yeah, we still have a gap fill down there, but I can't see us getting there no time soon.
Yeah, that gap. When was that from? 9th of May?
I'll tell you right now. Let me go back to it. It is from the 11th of May.
Yeah. See you later, Heath.
Peace, Heath. Is it okay to trade on gold? Kai, he's asking.
What?
If that's what you want to do.
Give me more context. What do you mean? Is it okay to trade on gold? Like what? If you join a group or what? Oh, you talking about the prop firms? Yeah, you can trade gold futures. Yeah. See you later, Nathan, bro. Ooh, what is this?
Now watch it reverse the whole move. Oh, that's why you gotta love futures.
It's crazy. How's the S looking? I'll hand that. The S is near the lows. So yeah, so we took the highs on NQ of yesterday's high. We didn't take it on the S. But we're about to take today's low on the S. Well,
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. It's always a maybe.
Because of high volatility and high amusement, but it's up to you. You can trade whatever you prefer, boys. I prefer to trade NQ and ES. That's it. I want to trade nothing else.
Or you've been trading that instrument for so long, it's kind of hard to switch.
Yeah. It's just like, I don't know. I'd feel like it's out of my zone, like going into something new. I know exactly how these move and like the A+ setups. I don't know the A+ setups on gold and.
I mean, but you could still just use the same strategies over there too. It's just like you said though. It's like, how does it really move as far as?
Yeah, it's just like the thing I'm talking about is like I have the data for this because I've been doing this for so long, and I know what I'm looking for, and I know what works, what doesn't work. Whereas on gold, I don't really know. Do you know what I mean? And one day might work, but we don't know how many days it takes the high or the low and carries on going. It might move completely different. Because I know a lot of people who trade gold and stuff. There's a lot of them that just buy gold, like they don't even sell it.
Just as an investment.
No, they'll trade it, but they don't sell.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they only buy. Yeah.
They only buy.
They only look for buys.
I guess that's the model.
Yeah. And they do
only looking for buy models.
Yeah.
Mm.
Bro, thanks a lot. I just smashed 5% on my account. Nice.
Good shit. This was such an easy fucking day, man. I love it. This how you're supposed to come into work. Take the trade, get a banger, and that's it. And then just shoot the shit.
For sure. I think the market is fractal. Same strategy worked on any pairs and futures. I mean, price action, yes. Price action, if you know how to read price action, you know what you're looking for. Yeah. But I wouldn't say that they're all necessarily the same. Like, Forex just moves fucking weird, bro.
And when you say weird, what do you mean exactly?
There's just so many things to consider. They're just so like, you know what I'm saying? Like there's the USD, GBP, like one's gonna go down, one's gonna go up, but then there's so many different ones that could play a part in what you're trading. Let's say you're trading USD, GBP, and something happens in the US, okay, great. Something happens in the UK, okay, great. But then something could happen in Japan, and that will like affect the dollar. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, whereas this is just so clean.
So like, when you're in a trade on Forex, like, do you sit in them for a while, or are you in and out?
Yeah. So this is the thing. My style of trading is I don't like holding trades. I don't like holding trades for hours or days. Whereas I guess for you to trade Forex, that's how you got to be. So I like going in and out of trades.
Right. Got you. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Man. What do we do from here?
I have one big doubt.
Can we call it?
Yeah. Just guys, I have one big doubt. Why you guys always prefer IFG over microstructure shift? Who said I prefer IFG?
I have big doubt. You guys always prefer
Market structure shift. No, he's basically asked why do we prefer IFG as an entry instead of market structure shift. It's just what we prefer. I don't know how to answer that.
I can tell you why I prefer it.
Go on.
Better entry.
Yeah. Market structure shift normally I mean, that's the simple answer because it's better. He's answered it there. He's knocked it on the head. Yeah.
There you go. There's your answer.
Yeah, but market structure shift happens a lot later sometimes than IFG does. So we're trying to catch the moves.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that and I just like I've said this before. Like, if I'm only risking, 10 points, and I'm starting off, I'm scaled down, and I'm adding to it. I think it's just a better risk for me to just get the money up faster. Yeah. That's how I see it. But don't freaking try to top tick or bottom tick with freaking 5 minis. You know what I mean? Enter with 1 micro, see what happens.
Yeah.
And then just start adding to that bitch.
Are you in the longs? Looks good.
No, me? Oh, someone's longs?
Let me see if this account works. 519.
Order filled. Ah, Daddy.
Oh shit, it did.
Why does it keep doing that? Jesus Christ. There we go. Yeah. She might retrace this shit.
This looks good actually. This is a
It
vacation
does.
block right now. This is like my. This is probably my favorite, but you see more IFEG than you do this. To be fair, I think lately.
Order filled.
This
Ah,
is
Daddy.
exactly your move right here. And you should end. Oh, I don't. What? Yo, sorry, my computer is acting stupid.
Try. Did you take long or short? I took longs, but I'm done on symbols. I'm not the. I just wanted to see. I've already made my my thousands for the.
Okay, I'm long, and I'm doing it unfunded. Just so y'all know.
Yeah. Okay, he's done unfunded. There we go.
It was eval Monday, but it just changed.
yeah. This one's. I'm just doing it on sim here. I'll put it on the screen.
Don't worry, I'll let my nuts hang lower than Kai's.
Nah, because I'd have to change accounts. I'm logged into to go from the future. Then I had to change my license, and it's a bit of a ball ache. And I did say to myself, I'm not going to trade my funds on Mondays.
Yeah, I like to change my mind.
Fair enough. Shit. I took 2 trade, lost one for 100, another for 180. Should be happy, but I'm focused on I took 2 trades, lost one for 100, won one for 180. I should be happy. Yeah, you should be happy, bro. Where will my stop be? My stop will be just underneath here. Depends how big it is, boys.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah, so if we get closure but below this point here, that's when I'd be looking to get out if I was
Where are you showing them? Because I can't.
just below here. Sorry, just below.
Yeah, that's where I have my stop. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at 261. And she's already playing games. This will be my last trade. I think it's time for a coffee. I got a full day to promise my youngest child that she can go to the pool today. And I know when she wakes up, she ain't gonna want to eat. She ain't gonna want to do none of that. Want to go to the damn pool.
She's gonna be excited.
Oh, that kid can't get enough of swimming.
Bless her.
You know? One day you're gonna be there, son. You know what I mean? And then they're gonna get older, then you're gonna go.
For the next 3 years
man,
still.
fuck them kids.
Not for the next 3 years still.
3 years? Why? Wow, that's a.
You might have
Well,
said
why
this,
3 years?
You might have said this already. I left for a bit, but if it was Tudor, oh yeah, for sure, bro. If we would have caught the moves that we caught earlier, I would have definitely got off. Yeah. Like I said, if it's one good trade, there's no need for you to sit on a chart anymore.
Really, there's not.
Just have a nice day, boys. You're gonna have so many bad days in trading. When you make your money, just take it and just enjoy the day. Just be like, oh shit, yes, I won today. Cool, do it again tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
How many times
That's
have you
what it's
been
gotta
there
be.
where you've made profit, you've lost it, and then you've put yourself in the red, and you're like, fuck. I should have
And then
just.
you bought more
I
accounts.
should have. Yeah, I should have just took my profits.
Now you're in your backyard pacing like an idiot. Like, what the fuck did I just do, yo?
Yeah. Oh, bro. Oh, so
Yo,
funny. How we've all been through it.
The levels of emotions are crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Nah, it's not enough. If that's the mentality you want to have, that's not gonna get you far, bro.
Nope.
The greed in trading, that's what's gonna fuck you over a lot of the times.
Yep. Like we always say, if you learn how to walk away, that's when you beat the whole system.
Oh, you've done 80% of the job already.
That right there. There. That's it. Just walk away. It's hard though, man. You be looking at these charts, man. You be like, man, I just need my fix. That's why, like, my man, he told me, he was like, and this is what I do now. He's like, I just go to paper. You know, if you can remember to, but just go to paper, just take the fucking trade so you can get it out your system. Because that's all it really is. It's like you addicted, son. You're a fucking fiend.
You do that because it does release those endorphins, doesn't it? When you have like a banging trade or you see that money go up, go down.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. That's what it is.
What's your ATM settings to? I don't even know.
Oh, he wants ATM settings.
I've got, look at this. I've got all these, look. All these, like, I got one to add, I got ATM, I got end-to-end queue. I can't remember how like, what most of these are, to be fair.
Yeah, you just got to play with the ATM.
Yeah, you just got to have a few for, like, different situations.
Yeah. Come on, just play this out real quick. Jesus.
How much are you looking to make on that one? Are you in 1 mini?
Yeah, I'm in 1 mini. Honestly, bro, give me $500 and I'll walk away. I'm up 55 right now.
Give me 500 and I'll walk away. Deal.
Give me 500 and I'll walk away. I'm definitely not going to try to take it to the top of the range.
Hey Kai, last I asked you if I should take my first payout. You said absolutely. Since then I managed to get one more payout of 3K. Nice, man. Thank you so much for your advice. Now the only thing I'm stuck with is after getting payout, I get too comfortable and lose that account. Well, the thing is, sometimes when you obviously withdraw, your balance goes down, doesn't it? So it does get a little bit harder. I wouldn't worry too much about blowing a car. I'd just say just start over again. Like you've took your payout, you know, you're up. But in the future, if you get a few payouts, well, I would say maybe try building a buffer. But for sure, your first 3 to 5 payouts, just take your payouts, man. Worry about getting the buffer later on when you get a little bit more comfortable with actually getting payouts, because it's so exciting getting your first few payouts that you're just like, you're just over the moon.
I think I got a little bit better advice than you. No shade.
Go.
He said he's gotten payouts, right? And he said he gets too comfortable losing all those accounts.
He gets too comfortable and then loses the account.
Keep doing what you were doing before you got the payout, my boy. You obviously did the right thing. Stick to that.
Yeah, the only thing I'm saying is if you let's say you've got an account, you withdraw 3K, you've got 500 left in there. If you're trading the same as you're trading, if you lose the account, it's no worry. That's just probabilities. Do you know what I'm saying?
No, absolutely.
Unless
Only
you're
thing
gonna
that I'm
scale
saying
down,
is-
unless you're gonna scale down and then try to build that account back up, which might take you some time. But yeah. Both.
Yeah, I just think that I've heard this question quite a bit, like, throughout social media and all that stuff. And, and as he mentioned, he has received payouts. So, in my humble opinion, you've already been doing the right thing. Just stick to what you were doing and build from that. And the whole, I think, getting comfortable and cocky, I just think that's just a human emotion that you got to figure out how to deal with.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any right or wrong answer to that one.
No.
That's something that you have to face. Because we can all just tell you, stop being cocky. Are you going to stop?
If it helps you, we've all done it. We've all gone payouts and then blown the accounts afterwards. I've done it a lot of times in the past. But that's why, like, I'm at the position where, I like building buffers. I don't need to get payouts all the time. Do you know what I mean? Like, I've built a position myself. Like, I've got enough money, which I don't need to live from month to month. So I haven't got that worry of, I need to get a payout now. So then it allows me to build a buffer and trade the way that I want to trade, which is, having enough in there. Okay, so today I made 3K from the long on the first trade, and then at 10 I saw another entry. I didn't take it because I was content, but now I'm like, shit. Hindsight's a bitch, bro. If it went the other way, you'd be thanking yourself. So don't be too mad. You took a good trade. That's it. This is why I say don't.
You said hindsight's a bitch?
Hindsight's a bitch.
Yeah, the hindsight is the worst when it comes to trading.
100%, bro. 100%. Like, shoulda, woulda. Like, there's
Word.
no point thinking that way.
Oh, come on, 430. Take it down to 500. 490. All right, I'm out. 500. Watch this bitch. Now watch it rally.
I may just add 10 columns to this SIM account.
Say again?
I might just add 10 calls to the SIM account.
Oh, yeah?
No, I'm joking.
That sounds exciting. Oh, shit. They said, how long should someone take to pass an eval? Man, that's subjective, but the way we trade them very aggressively. And it's one of those, kind of like full ported on some news, full ported on an A+ entry. But on a 50K, I mean, in my opinion, no more than 3 days.
Do you know what? Yeah, I've realized there's a difference in the Forex prop firm and futures in the kind of advice you give. Futures, we don't pay too much, and there's a monthly fee, right? A recurring fee for most prop firms. So yeah, we got to be aggressive. If you pass, if you don't pass, whatever, you're gonna know. Whereas Forex, have you seen how much those accounts cost?
No, I have no idea,
like,
bro.
People are spending $700, $800 on these evaluation accounts, bro.
And how much capital do you get?
250, 400K, like.
Okay,
still,
but
if you're paying that much, you should trade it properly. That's when, like, the advice that we give is for futures.
Oh, okay, yeah. So what I just said, if you're doing Forex, take your goddamn time.
4x.
That's a lot of money.
I love how you said that. If you do it 4x.
That's a lot of money to spend on one account.
Yeah,
I'd be sick if I blew one of those. I quit my first month. 100K is $400 ish.
yeah, exactly. 100K, $400.
Fucking $500.
So maybe don't full port those accounts because you will get yourself in a fucking.
No, not maybe. Don't.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Period. Don't. Period. Stop. Full stop.
Yeah.
That's insane. Damn, them Forex companies making out like a fucking fat rat.
Ah, I know, right?
Jesus. Motherfucker worked overtime to get those accounts.
But then I think their rules in terms of payouts are much better. I'm pretty sure.
See, I'm about to say there's got to be some kind of trade-off.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure most of them, like, you can withdraw within the first 10%. So if you make a certain percent, you can already withdraw. Or is that to pass? Oh no, to pass. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure. Like I know a few guys that they'll pass the accounts and then within one day, and they'll be able to get a payout.
And he said there's 2 steps to pass.
Some of them have 2. Is it all of them? I'm pretty sure some of them are just 1 step now, right?
And what would the 2 steps be like? You got to make this amount and then the next amount.
Yeah, so you've got to pass. You've got to pass one account and then you got to pass it again. Basically.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait. So if my profit target was 3K, that's the account, right? I gotta do that 2 times.
Step 1, and then step 2 maybe like slightly different rules where you'll maybe have less drawdown and have to have a bigger profit target. Bro, it's a scam. Like Forex is a scam, bro.
Huh.
Oh, okay. So some of them go
Yeah,
down.
that's
So
wild.
usually 8% the first one and then 5%.
Ooh,
boy,
look at that
look
pump.
at that. Look at that. Jeez.
For a fucking Monday. Well, you Forex guys, welcome to futures. It's a better time over here. Shit, with $500, you know how many accounts you can get?
Out of interest, who actually entered that long? This is definitely the point where you should be trailing, boys. Reason why less because of the prices. Yeah. You still holding? How much did I pump from there? So my entry is 312 on this sim.
Sim 101.
312.
Sim 101.
312.
I'm fucking hungry.
Yeah. I'm gonna dip after this move here, boys. Are you still in, James?
No, I'm out.
Oh yeah.
I ain't playing myself.
Oh yeah, you did 500. Yeah.
Yeah, we should have been trading the funded today anyway, but it just looked too good.
Alright, boys. I'm gonna get off as well, man. Just put, if you're in, just put your stop to break even, and then I'd say maybe trade a stop right now. That was a good pump, especially with 1 mini. If I was in with this, I would have made 1K with 1 mini.
Yeah.
291.
That was a very nice mitigation block there.
Nice.
Very nice mitigation
It
block.
was. This is perfect, bro. Right here. Boom.
That's your
This
favorite
bounce,
setup.
This bounce, yeah. This is
Your
it.
favorite setup.
Order filled. Ah, Daddy.
Daddy. That's love it. Alright, boys. It was a good day. That short was sweet.
Yeah, good
That short was
day.
sweet.
Thank you guys for showing up. We'll be back next Monday at your regularly
Every
scheduled
Monday on
time.
YouTube, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the Discord for the premium guys. I'll see you guys later, alright?
Salute.
Bye.
Salute.